Bosch Pro GSA 18V-24 cordless reciprocating saw. Ultimate comfort and precision in tight spaces. Lightweight design and pivotable footplate make every cut effortless. Powerful brushless motor, variable speed control, tool-less SDS blade holder. Powered by Bosch 18V battery. LED that effectively lights up the cutting line in dark spaces. Pivotable food plate. Tool-less SDS blade holder. Variable speed control trigger switch. It is ideal for easy cutting, even in narrow spaces.